All right, welcome to Jeff's Trips. Today is Sunday, January the 5th, 2025. Sunday, January the 5th, 2025. My Christmas lights are still on. This will actually be the last night. We'll let them be on. Usually when Christmas hits, I usually let them run through that next weekend into Sunday night, into Monday morning, and then that's it. So, but as you can see, we're having a little winter storm. I think I mentioned this on my weather report. All right, welcome to Jeff's Trips. Getting a little snowy out. We're gonna take a little walk around the property. We're gonna try to do some shoveling here. It looks like it's snowed a couple of inches. And we're gonna try to do some blowing with my snow blower. Or my leaf blower. I don't have a snow blower. I have a snow plow, but it's not hooked up. But looks like it snowed a couple inches here. We're gonna get on top of it, especially if it snows a couple more inches tonight. That way I'm not shoveling like 5 or 6 inches in the morning. But at any rate, welcome to Jeff's Trips. Let's go for a walk. Looks like we're gonna walk out into the virgin snow. It's never been walked on. Put my hood up here, even though I got my face mask hat on. Definitely beautiful out here. There's the old car. Sounds like my neighbor's plowing snow. Come out here and get a look at the house here. Hopefully my friend Dan's gonna plow the driveway after it gets done snowing. Beautiful day with the snow. Go around back here. Let's see what the sump pump looks like. Make sure it's doing okay. Boy, we used to come out here and play when I was a kid. Be out here all day long. Looks like it's all right. Yeah. Gonna walk through the snow. Wish it snowed before Christmas like this, but it didn't. That's the way it goes sometimes. Be a good day for a little couple of horses and a sleigh ride. Do a little filming for posterity. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little fire in the chimney there, or in the fireplace. There's a little smoke coming up. A little cozy action going on. supposed to snow all night. We'll see what tomorrow is going to bring. Yeah, I guess we'll go up and start trying to shovel some. Guy I watch on YouTube, Adam the Woo, the Daily Woo, W-O-O. He was in Alaska a few months ago, enjoying the Alaskan weather in November. Yeah, we'll get the blower out and see what happens. Looks like my candle lights are coming on. Now that's the way to do it. Right there. Still got the Christmas lights up from the Christmas time. But obviously you're not going to do the whole thing like that, but get the main stuff off. Actually, I thought it snowed an inch or two, but might have been about, we probably had 3.5 inches down. So I'll have to do a little bit more shoveling. We'll do that in here in a little bit. I'm gonna go in and get warmed up for a minute, come back out, do a little shoveling, scrape off the rest of these little foot mark areas, and make it a little bit better. But hope you all enjoyed that. Hope that was entertaining. Hopefully this is I always like snow, but I like the ones that snow just enough to look pretty and not have to really do much. But this one you had to do something, so hopefully we'll be okay the rest of the night. Hopefully people in Kentucky are okay with the ice that's coming in, or has come in, and hopefully we don't get any ice here. But glad you came along. This was Sunday, January 5th, 2025, documenting the day. Hopefully the Jets win today, and hopefully the Broncos win, so the Bengals can come into the playoffs. Have a good one, everybody. Have a good week.